Morning, myself, art science. So up to now, I've studied various aspects. We have seen art, aldehyde, how the boiling point and the effect. Then we have seen starting much. Today we are going to calculate carbon will study. So student will begin with the synthesis of aldehyde by using the acyl chloride. So acyl chloride first acyl chloride is the starting material for the synthesis of the aldehyde. So acyl chloride is the reagent we are going to use for the synthesis of the aldehyde. So everyone knows that the aldehyde containing the functional COH bond. So from the acyl chloride, so here if you will see acyl group is this one RCO and then attached to the chloride. So first, it is important to synthesize the acyl chloride. So acyl chloride we can synthesize by using the carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, when treated with thionyl chloride, so the chlorine from the uh, SOCl2 thionyl chloride is by replace the OH present in the acyl group. So from carboxylic acid group, this OH replaced by chloride. So in that reactions, the side product form is SO2 is a gas and HCl, the hydrogen chloride. So first, we have got the acyl chloride from carboxylic acid um, by this reaction. Now we are using this acyl chloride for the synthesis of the aldehyde. So in which we are using acyl chloride together with the lithium tri-tertiary butyl aluminum hydride. It is a hydride donor. Now we will see in the mechanism what is meant by hydride donors and what is hydride. So basically here the reaction is between the acyl chloride and lithium tri-tertiary butoxy aluminum hydride. This reaction takes place at minus 78 degrees Celsius. So reaction is very sensitive. So it needs very low temperature. It is a minus 78 degrees Celsius. So this temperature we can achieve by using various instruments like like refrigeration. So it is also known from its company maker Julabo. So this instrument we can maintain the reaction temperature up to minus 80 degrees Celsius. So this is one of the sensitive reaction. So further we will study the mechanism of the reaction. So in this reaction, the acetyl chloride in which the oxygen, because oxygen is containing the extra electron pairs, so that the electron pairs were attacked on the aluminum because aluminum is electron deficient. So here first this electron pair attacked on the aluminum, so it get formed this bond. bond between the oxygen and aluminum is get formed as the electron pair of these oxygens are given to the aluminum. Hence the oxygen got the positive charge because oxygen is electron deficient. So here, in order to stabilize the complex, this complex form, so here there is a transfer of hydride. Now we will see what is meant by hydride. So when the hydrogen has extra pair of electron from this bond, as the aluminum is electron rich now because the oxygen given a lone pair to the aluminum, so it is electron rich, and hence this aluminum has more electron. So this bond form was broken in such a way that the hydrogen is carrying extra electron. So hydrogen is negatively charged. So if hydrogen is negatively charged, it is known as a hydride. If it is positively charged, it is known as a proton. So loss of a electron from the hydrogen, it is a proton, and then extra electron is there with it and carrying a negative charge, it is a hydride. So sorry. So this hydride is transferred or attack on this carbonyl carbon, and this double bond is shifted here to the oxygen. So this lone pair of electron from the carbonyl bond is shifted from this to the oxygen. So oxygen got its electron pair, extra electron pair. So the positive charge on the oxygen is diminished, it is vanished, and then the bond between carbon, this hydrogen is formed. So this complex form gets stabilized by again the removal of this chloride. So chloride is removed by assisting the extra lone pair of the oxygen, and then it is shifted to the again to the carbonyl bond, and this chloride bond is get broken, and then chloride is removed, Cl minus is removed from this complex, and then here we can see there is a double bond. So this double bond get formed between the carbon and the oxygen, and then this is the hydride we have got from this aluminum. So the hydrolysis of this complex, the hydrolysis by addition of a water molecule, so it get react with this aluminum, and then the lone pair of electron again shifted towards the oxygen. So basically there is a hydride shift. It is an important step of the reaction. The hydride shift from the complex is shifted from this complex to the acyl chloride, and then after hydrolysis of this complex we will get the aldehyde, respective aldehyde. So we can synthesize aldehyde from the acetyl chloride by using the lithium tri-tertiary butoxy aluminum hydride. So in this reaction, hydride transfer is a most important reaction, and then followed by the hydrolysis by using water molecule. So this is the mechanism of reaction. So in examination, if you will ask the synthetic method of these aldehyde from the acetyl chloride and the mechanism of the reaction for 5 or 10 marks, so you can give the general reaction, then the mechanism of the reaction. So next reaction is the Guterman-Koch synthesis. So Guterman-Koch synthesis is the reaction in which from the benzene and carbon monoxide in acidic condition by using hydrogen chloride, and then with the catalyst aluminum chloride and copper chloride. So by using this complex, the carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride and this metal complex. So we will see this one in the mechanism part. So how it is forming the complex, and then carb cation get formed, and then will the benzene lone pair will attack on this complex, and then after the shift of the uh, proton, proton get lost from this complex, and we will get the benzaldehyde. So in Gutermann-Koch synthesis, basically benzene, from benzene we have got the benzaldehyde. So from it is the synthesis of aromatic aldehyde. So earlier one which was the aliphatic one. Now here Gutermann-Koch synthesis is important in the formation of the aromatic aldehyde. It is important part. So now we will move towards the mechanism. In this mechanism, first this is the